Good day everyone. I am Marcus John Villapura from GFCSC Dubingan Campus. Today, I will discuss the essential and functions of four-wheeled vehicle.
First is the hood. It covers the rest over the engine bay of a front engine vehicle. Next is front signal light, is to find the turn signal lever on the left or right steering column. Next is the grills. It covers an opening in the body of a vehicle to allow air to enter or exit. Next is the wiper, a device used to remove rain, washer fluid, water or other debris from a vehicle's front window. Next is windshield. It protects the vehicle occupants from wind and flying debris such as insects and rocks. Next is side mirror. It enables one to see what is near the car. Next is the door. It is a type of door opening typically hinged on its front edge. Next is the tire. It is a ring-shaped component that surrounds a wheel's vehicle. Next is the rim. It is the cylindrical outer edge of any type of wheels that supports and seals the tire to the wheel. Next is the battery. It provides power for starting your vehicle. Next is fan belt. It ensures that the radiator fan keeps spinning so that the car does not overheat. Next is the fan. It pulls cooling air through the car's radiator. Next is radiator. This part is to use to regulate the engine temperature. Next is the coil. It is the component that ramps up the voltage of battery charges and make it potent enough to fire the spark plug. Next is the oil filter. It is designed to remove contaminants from engine oil, transmission oil, lubricating oil, or hydraulic. Next is indicator. Turns on when there is fault condition in an area of the vehicle chassis system. Next is clutch pedal. It allows power to flow the engine to the transmission. Next is brake pedal. It causing the vehicle to slow down or stop. Next is accelerator or gas pedal. It controls the speed of the vehicle. Next is steering wheel. Steering wheel are type of steering control in vehicles. Next is speedometer. It's a gauge that measures and displays the instantaneous speed of vehicle. Next is radio or CD player. It provides in-car entertainment and information for the occupants. Next is the air ventilation. It controls the cabin temperature by regulating the amount of cool air that is mixed with the warm air from the outside or inside the car. Next is the gear stick. It is used to change gear wheels, depressing the clutch pedal with the left foot to disengage the engine from the drivetrain and wheels. Next is the rear view mirror, checking the distance to obstacles and walls when parking. Next is the dome lights or courtesy lights. Lighting normally stays until the vehicle is turned on so the passenger can safely fasten their seat belts. Next is seat belt. It's a safety device designed to secure the driver or a passenger of a vehicle against harmful movement that may result during a collision or sudden stop. And the last is car seat. Car seat is a frame for support, foam for comfort, and trim cover for appearance. And that's all. Magandang buhay!